center, we are talking of the Jeevan centers, which is a citizen service center meant for mainly government to customer and government to business, etc. This is a brainchild of the Department of Information Technology, Government of NCT of Delhi. So we have about 520 centers as on date operating in Delhi. And the benefits are, of course, to improve the quality of governance, to reach the government to every doorstep which is very close to the citizen physically, to reduce the congestion on the roads. You, for example, go to pay the bills or other utility bills and all, you travel a long distance, you waste your time in the office time and all. Next. It's a one-stop shop which is providing this anytime, anywhere facility. And there are these Jeevan centers, most of them they operate from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. on all 365 days of the year. Next. This was inaugurated in February 2009 by Honorable Delhi CM and started off with 23 services and about 50 kiosks. Now we have scaled higher. Next. Now, so these are the indications of the 520 centers, Jeevan centers. As on date, we are operating about 110 services through these centers. So a large chunk of the services are mainly utility bills. But of late we have added things like, EPF claims. You can, all these private employees who are in the EPF scheme, they can operate through Jeevan centers. Next. Next. So this is the revenue model of the Jeevan center. The department or the company concerned has to pay 3 rupees per transaction in case of electricity bills. In case of water and telephone bills, it is 2 rupees per transaction which is paid by the concerned department. As regards payment by the citizen, suppose he has to get all the SC certificate, income certificate, or for the sales tax returns and all, it is 10 rupees per transaction which is paid by the citizen. Next. There are a large number of autonomous bodies in Delhi which really add to the multiplicity of authority. For example, MCD doesn't come under Delhi government, so we are not able to tackle all the property. We are just talking to them. We are not able to bring them into the fold. Please. No, it is not. So, Jeevan is actually operating under a very stiff competitive environment. So, high cost of operations and lowest cost to the citizens. And since Delhi is an urban area, so already other service providers like one-stop shop, it's ITZ Cash, they are also operating. So, we are in this environment. So, the data flow is the citizen is interacting with Jeevan physically at this Jeevan center level, or he can interact with the Jeevan through the Jeevan portal. It's online, previous one. So it is getting connected to the Chennai data server, which in turn is getting connected with the Delhi NIC Lakshmi Nagar server for greater security. So this is basically a Jeevan architecture. Next. Next. We have scaled up in the last 1 year. We are yet to see the second birthday of Jeevan. So we have added 87 services and 468 centers. And so far there have been around 20 lakh transactions and a collection of 250 crores. Next. So this is showing the spread of the Jeevan project. Of course, the MCD was supposed to be there, but it's not there. Apart from the MCD, all the others are there in this thing, including the EPF and MTNL and the other utilities. Next. I am representing Department of Information Technology. They are our partners from the 3i Infotech. Next. As regards the market share, we are still not very comfortable, though Delhi Jal Board, we are the only partners of Delhi Jal Board as far as the collection of their bills goes. Nobody else is a partner. But as far as the telephone and the other electricity bills are concerned, yes, we do have stiff competition. So that is it. Next. And Jeevan is, as our experience has shown, it is working best with people who already have other businesses, like for example the Kiryana or the pop and mom stores. It is helping to improve their visibility and increase the footfalls. So thereby it is an indirect benefit to those franchisees who are, the standalone doesn't seem to work well in this case. It is monitored at the highest level by the Principal Secretary to Chief Minister at the task force level, and the PMU is monitored by an additional secretary level officer of Delhi government. So, and the partners in this project are Messrs 3i Infotech and State Bank of India. So they are the partners. Thank you. That's all.